Okay, so I've decided to upgrade the silencer on my SV650 here, and we've gone and got a Delkevic 450mm carbon fiber silencer. So I'm going to unpack this and then we'll get underway. Okay, so we've got everything unboxed. We've got our new carbon fiber 450mm silencer. Now this does come with a removable baffle. But I'm probably going to keep the baffle in because I don't really want to upset the neighbours with the noise. Comes with the two clamps for the muffler as well as the extension pipe. We're not going to be using the carbon fibre because we'll use the silicon sealant instead. And it comes with a new bracket and a rubber to protect, of course, the mount. And that's going to go on there. But before we start, I figure I'll start her up just with the stock exhaust, so you can hear what it sounds like. So I'm gonna get all this on and then we'll see how she sounds afterwards. Well, it's on. And that's how it looks now. So it's basically a slip-on. The old pipe just comes off down there. Put a new pipe on. Put a couple of stickers on the side there. It looks nice. And of course, the real test is what it sounds like. I am very happy with that. To take the baffle out to make it even noisier, little screw on the here, baffle slides out. But I think that's good. Anyway, that was pretty straightforward, and yeah, that's the Delkevic 450mm on a 2021 SV650.